Hey everyone, PJ here. Black Friday, the biggest shopping day in America. Huge discounts, massive crowds, total chaos. But here's the thing. Are the deals actually good? Or are stores just tricking you into buying stuff you don't need? Today you're meeting Wei and Isabella. Wei is shopping for a laptop and trying to figure out if the Black Friday price is actually worth it. Isabella works at the electronics store and knows all the tricks. This is real conversation. A shopper trying to make a smart decision, an employee giving honest advice. No commercials, no fake hype, just two people figuring out if the deal is real. Let's see this in action.
Excuse me, do you work here?
I do. How can I help you?
I'm looking for laptops. Where are they?
Back corner, near the gaming section. But I should warn you, it's crazy back there.
Crazy how?
So many people. Everyone wants the laptop deals.
Are the deals good?
Some are. Some aren't. Depends what you're looking for.
I need a laptop for work. Design work. Nothing too fancy.
Design work? Then you need decent specs, not the cheapest models.
Specs?
Specifications, like processor speed, RAM, storage, the technical stuff.
I don't know much about specs.
That's okay. I can help you. What's your budget?
Maybe $600? Is that enough?
For Black Friday? Yes. You can get something decent for that price.
What about this sign? Laptops starting at $299.
Yeah, everyone sees that sign. Those laptops sell out in the first hour.
They're already gone?
Probably. But honestly, those cheap laptops aren't great anyway.
Why not?
Slow processors, not much storage, cheap build quality. They break easily.
So the deal isn't actually good?
It's a good price for a bad product. That's how Black Friday works sometimes.
That's frustrating.
I know. That's why I try to help customers find real deals, not fake ones.
Thank you. I appreciate honest advice.
Of course. Let's go look at what's actually in stock. Okay, here's the laptop section. What's left of it anyway?
Wow, it's a mess.
Black Friday mess. People grab things and leave them everywhere.
Do you have to clean this up?
After my shift, yes. Not looking forward to it.
That sounds terrible.
It's okay. I get paid time and a half today.
Time and a half.
1.5 times my normal pay. Holiday pay.
Oh, that's good at least.
It helps. Okay, let me show you some options. This one is pretty good. Normally $800, on sale for $550.
That's $250 off.
Exactly. That's a real discount.
What are the specs?
Intel i5 processor, 8 gigabytes RAM, 256 gigabytes storage.
Is that good for design work?
It's decent. Not professional level, but good for most design programs.
What programs?
Photoshop, Illustrator, basic video editing.
I use Photoshop a lot.
Then this should work. 8 gigabytes RAM is the minimum for Photoshop.
What about this one? It says 40% off.
Let me see. This one was marked up before Black Friday.
Marked up?
They raised the price a few weeks ago, then put it on sale. So 40% off the inflated price.
That's allowed?
Unfortunately, yes. It's a marketing trick.
How do you know the real price?
I've worked here 6 months. I remember the prices. Also, you can check price history websites.
Price history websites.
Like Camel. It tracks Amazon prices over time. You can see if something is really on sale.
That's so useful. I didn't know that existed.
Most people don't. That's how stores get you.
You're giving me all the secrets.
I believe in helping people, not tricking them.
Okay, so the $550 one is actually a good deal?
Yes, that one's legitimate. I'd buy it myself if I needed a laptop.
Do you get an employee discount?
I do. 10% off.
That's nice.
It is. But even with my discount, this Black Friday price is better.
Really?
Yeah. $550 is 40% off. My discount is only 10%.
So Black Friday is worth it for some things.
Definitely. You just have to know what to look for.
What else should I know?
Check the return policy. Some Black Friday items are final sale.
Final sale?
You can't return them. No refunds, no exchanges.
What if it's broken?
Broken items you can return. But if you just change your mind, you're stuck with it.
How do I know if something is final sale?
It says on the price tag. Look for a label that says no returns or final sale.
This one doesn't say that.
Then you're good. You have 30 days to return it.
With receipt?
Yes, always keep your receipt. Take a picture of it too, just in case.
Good idea. What about warranties?
The laptop comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, but we sell extended warranties too.
Are those worth it?
Honestly, usually no. They're expensive and don't cover much.
But you work here. Shouldn't you sell them?
I should, but I'm being honest. Most people never use extended warranties.
What if something breaks?
A manufacturer warranty covers defects. For accidents, get insurance through your credit card or homeowner's insurance.
That's cheaper?
Much cheaper. Our extended warranty is $150. Not worth it.
Thank you for being honest.
You're welcome. I'd rather you trust me than waste money.
Okay, I think I want this laptop. But can I ask one more thing?
Of course.
Should I buy it today or wait for Cyber Monday?
Cyber Monday?
The Monday after Black Friday. Online deals, right?
Oh, you know about Cyber Monday.
My coworker told me about it.
Smart coworker. Cyber Monday has good deals too. Sometimes better than Black Friday.
So should I wait?
Depends. Do you need the laptop right away?
Not urgently, but soon. Maybe this week.
Then I'd say buy it today if you're happy with the price. This model might sell out.
It might be gone by Monday.
Possibly. Black Friday deals go fast. If you wait and it sells out, you'll regret it.
That's true. And $550 is in my budget.
Exactly. Plus, buying in store means you get it today. Online orders take time to ship.
How long?
During Black Friday week? Maybe a week or more. Everyone's ordering stuff.
I don't want to wait that long.
Then buy it today. You're getting a good deal and immediate availability.
Okay, I'm convinced. I'll take it.
Great choice. Do you need anything else? Mouse, laptop bag, accessories?
Are those on sale too?
Some are. Let me show you. These laptop bags are 30% off.
I do need a bag.
These are good quality. Padded interior protects your laptop.
How much?
Normally $40. Today, $28.
Okay, I'll get one. Black or gray?
Which do you prefer?
Gray is more professional.
Gray it is. Anything else?
Maybe a mouse? I don't like laptop trackpads.
Smart. These wireless mice are on sale. Normally $35. Today, $20.
That's good. I'll take one.
Perfect. Let me carry these to the register for you.
Thank you so much for all your help.
My pleasure. That's what I'm here for.
You made Black Friday shopping way less stressful.
I try. Black Friday is intense enough without confusing deals.
You should get a bonus for good customer service.
I wish, but thank you. That's nice to hear.
This is going to be more than $600, isn't it?
Let me check. Laptop $550, bag $28, mouse $20. That's $598 before tax.
Before tax.
Sales tax adds about 8%, so total is maybe $645.
That's okay. Still within budget.
And you got quality products at good prices, not junk on fake sale.
Thanks to you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new laptop.
All right, Black Friday shopping vocabulary and strategies. This is important stuff. Key Black Friday terms. Deal, a good price or discount. Discount, reduction in price, usually shown as a percentage or dollar amount. On sale, being sold at a lower price than usual. Final sale, you cannot return the item. No refunds. Sold out, completely gone, no more in stock. Specs or specifications, technical details about a product. Return policy, the rules about returning items you bought. Warranty, protection plan if something breaks. Important shopping phrases. Is this a good deal? Asking if the price is worth it. What's your return policy? Asking about returns. Do you have this in stock? Asking about availability. Is this price final? Confirming the price. Can I price match? Asking if they'll match a competitor's lower price. Notice Isabella's honesty. She told Wei about fake discounts, inflated prices, and unnecessary warranties. That's rare but valuable. When someone gives you honest advice, trust them. Notice Wei asked smart questions. Should I wait for Cyber Monday? Are warranties worth it? What if something breaks? Good questions lead to good decisions. The phrase marked up means artificially raising prices. Some stores do this before Black Friday, so the discount looks bigger. Use price history websites like Camel to check real prices. Time and a half means 1.5 times your normal pay rate. Common for holiday work. Your homework. Before Black Friday shopping, research prices. Know what things normally cost. Don't just believe the sale signs. Practice these sentences. Is this really a good deal? What was the original price? What's your return policy? Does this come with a warranty? Do you have any other options? Say them confidently. Don't let flashy signs pressure you into bad purchases. And remember, the best Black Friday deal is not buying something you don't need. Just because it's on sale doesn't mean you should buy it. That was fun. Thanks for spending time with me. Subscribe for more real English lessons you can actually use. Until next time, happy shopping.